All right, y'all. Let's try this watermelon. It's so much space in there. Oh my gosh, it's so much space in there now. Let's try it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
I said 3 days, but it has been 5 days, y'all. So bear with me. I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna go and get this over with. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, okay. It's not even like bad looking. Ooh, y'all see that? Y'all see how flimsy it look? I'm just gonna go for it. It smelled like pickles. Like, I feel like everything I pickle just smell like pickles. Not what the actual fruit or vegetable is. Y'all, it's not bad. I know y'all finna be like, shit, now Sade, I know. It's actually not bad. Okay. See, it's like, I probably would, the spicy. I probably would, it's like a tangy spice and then sweetness to it after. Y'all, I actually like this. Would I take my time to do it again? Probably not. You know, I'm not gonna waste my time and make it again, but I'm not gonna say it's nasty because it's not nasty. Let's see. I will finish this. Ooh. I will finish this though. Because it's actually not bad. I probably should have put a few more pieces in here. It's so different. It's like nothing that I'm used to. But it's good. I'm not going to be in here just be making pickled watermelon. But it's actually an experience. It actually is. I'm gonna have my husband try when he get home. I know he ain't gonna like it, but I think it's decent. Ooh, it's sour. I actually would not try this if it's not spicy, y'all. Like, I feel like the spice and the sweetness gives it its like authentic like flavor. So like, yeah. I won't be selling these, but you can try some yourself. Okay. Why you looking nervous? You want? I ain't gonna even do you like that. That's what I did. I was like.
Spicy as a motherfucker.
It's like different. You gotta try it again.
I'm scared.
I know. But you got to. That's what I did. I was like, hold on. I just like, I don't know. It was, okay, I'm gonna let you do your own thing. Before I say anything. You don't like it? You don't like it, y'all. For me, like I said, it wasn't bad for me. I just wouldn't like I wouldn't be making this.
Yeah.
Like, ooh, let me make some pickled watermelon. But like, it's not bad to me. Like, it was decent. I actually ate half the thing, so.
It's not bad. It's just because my brain is so used to watermelon being sweet.
Yeah, it's like, what is this?
I couldn't see myself sitting there eating that.
Yeah.
It's not bad though, but it's not nothing I would eat. And that first bite was a shot of my life.
I'm gonna have JC on taste it. This last one.
Oh, you won't have both?
I am, but you know how Jay, he don't like spicy stuff.
Oh yeah.
They gonna be like, what is this, Mom? You wanna try this?
Yeah, did I?
Yeah.
You got gum in your mouth? Is it, you just put it, is it brand new? Is it minty? It might not work. This is spicy, but do you want to try it?
Yeah. Well, it's not. Is it watermelon?
It is.
Spicy watermelon?
Yeah. I know it's different. You gotta step over there if you don't want to be on camera.
It's whatever. I'll be on camera.
Step over there. Oh.
Well, that's a lot. That's
You squeezing it to death. You squeezing all the juice out.
pretty spicy.
It's spicy. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Is it spicy? Yes, it's spicy. He's talking about
Oh, I hit him so hard.
Jay, what's your honest
I hit
opinion?
him.
No more left. So what was it like, Jay?
It was spicy,
Spicy and what else?
but it actually tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It must be like an acquired taste, cause like Dad didn't like it. I thought it was okay. You say you like it. It's just you gotta. What you think of it?
Oh yeah, it's pretty good, but the spice is a little too much.
It's a little for you.
Yeah,
And he likes spice, so that's crazy.
That was a little overboard, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. When I first took the bite, I was like, ooh. But yeah, pretty good, y'all. I guess you just gotta try it for yourself.
Hit that subscribe button!